Speed 85 WPM. Be ready. 5 seconds. Madam Speaker, Indian Railways propose to modernize its logistics operations by setting up logistic parks that provide for warehousing, packaging, labeling, distribution, door-to-door delivery, and consignment tracking. In order to achieve better efficiency, mechanization of loading and unloading will be given top priority. In the existing pattern of traffic movement of Indian Railways, more than 33% of freight trains over the system run empty since return traffic at existing freight rates is not forthcoming. In order to garner additional revenue by a stable pricing mechanism, I propose to launch a pilot project whereby automatic rebate from the computerized freight operations information system will become available to customers offering traffic over the present expected levels of loaded movement. This would help reduce the empty flows on the Indian railway system apart from garnering additional revenue. While there has been incremental growth in our parcel earning, I see a huge untapped potential in this segment which needs to be tapped by the Indian Railways. At present, most of the parcel business is hindering the movement of passengers on platforms. It is therefore necessary that parcel traffic is segregated to separate terminals where requisite facilities for storage, handling of parcels are made available to the customers and parcel consignments move in dedicated parcel trains running on fixed timetable. Accordingly, a scheme for private participation in parcel movement will be launched shortly whereby procurement of parcel vans or parcel rakes by private parties shall be facilitated. A new design of parcel vans with better tear to payload is being finalized. It is expected that by putting these measures in place, we would be able to substantially improve our earnings from the parcel segment. I propose to give a boost to rail movement of fruits and vegetables in partnership with the Central Railside Warehousing Corporation by providing requisite facilities of temperature controlled storages at 6 locations with Visakhapatnam, Cherianand, Bhivandi Road, Ajara, Navlur, Kalamboli on Indian Railways in the first phase. The aggregation and distribution from railway terminal points shall be organized by the Central Railside Warehousing Corporation. I hope, apart from avoiding national wastage of these products, this would help producers of fruits and vegetables in different parts of the country in getting better prices for their produce. Madam Speaker, Indian Railways propose to facilitate transportation of milk through rail by providing special milk tanker trains in association with National Dairy Development Board and Amul. Indian Railways will start using biodiesel up to 5% of the total fuel consumption in diesel locomotives. This will save precious foreign exchange substantially. Railways have been suffering heavily because of time overrun and cost overrun due to poor project management. In order to overcome delays in project execution, I propose to set up project management group at the level of railway board. Similarly, to expedite the projects at the ground level, a project monitoring and coordination group consisting of officials of state government, railways and professionals will be set up. Simplification of procedures and easy access to information bring transparency and trust in public. Transparency in administration, execution of projects and procurement will be given top priority. Strategic procurement policies will be adopted to make the procurement process transparent and most efficient. E-procurement will be made compulsory for procurements worth rupees 25 lakhs and above. For the convenience of state governments and other stakeholders, the status of ongoing projects will be made available online.